Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this special video, I will explain about birds of paradise. The birds of paradise are a group of birds that belong to the family Paradisidae and other passeriformes. They can be found in the tropical rainforest in eastern Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, and eastern Australia. There are 42 species in the family. They are omnivorous. Their main diet is fruit, but they also consume arthropods in a small amount. They have more than one color on their body. Their beak can be yellow, blue, black, and gray. The fur around their beak is either green or black. The color of the fur on their head to their back are also varied. It can be black, yellow, blue, or brown. The fur on their wings also have various colors such as brown, black, red, blue, and also yellow. Their tail is very long and soft. The color can be reddish, yellow and white, red and yellow, black, black and white, or blue. There is also a species who has curved tail. Each species have a different body measurement. The smallest of them can reach the size of 50 cm with the weight of 50 gr, while the largest of them can reach the size of 110 cm with the weight of 430 gr. Mostly, the male have longer tails than the female. Some species have rounded wings that can produce unique sound. It is recorded that they can live up to 5 or 8 years. That's all my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.